This is the last example. I'm excited for this. Okay, so what do we have here, huh? The limit as x approaches 0 of the function the square root of x plus 4 minus 2 all divided by x. Okay. What? The tricks. What tricks do we have here? Well, first, no, we don't do tricks yet. We use direct substitution. So, plug in 0. And then I get 0 plus 4 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. And on the bottom I have 0. So it's 0 over 0. Indeterminate. That means I have to do more work. I have work to do. Try again. So, what are the tricks for this? Well, I don't know really how to factor this, but there is a clue. So, I guess trick 2. Multiply the top and bottom by the radical conjugate. What does that mean? Well, I have what? X plus square root of x plus 4 minus 2 over x. So here I have a radical, and I can multiply. I'm pretty much rationalizing either the top or the bottom, but I'm going to multiply by the conjugate. That's how I rationalize, right? So let's do that. Plus 2. That's where that comes from. Plus 2. It's the conjugate, and I have to do it on the top and the bottom, because if I do it on the top and the bottom, it's just like multiplying by 1. So, and that's not changing anything, so that's fine. Usually I don't multiply out the second part. I will multiply out this part. It's conjugates, so the middles will cancel out. But let's see. X plus 4 underneath the radical times the same thing underneath the radical is just x plus 4. The middles will cancel out. You'll get positive 2 times this, and then you'll have to combine it with negative 2 times that. So those will cancel out. And then negative 2 times positive 2 is negative 4. Look at that! No more radicals. That cancels out. And then on the bottom I have this. And this is the reason why I don't multiply things unless I have to. Right? I could distribute that in there, but it's useful if I don't, because then I have x over x times this stuff. Right? Yeah, right. You keep going. So that cancels out. If I distributed that in, I might not be able to tell that, but now I have 1 over the square root of x plus 4 plus 2. So now I can do direct substitution. I'm plugging in 0, so that would be 1 over square root of 4 is 2 plus 2, right? There's 1/4. So that's the answer here, 1/4. Pretty sweet. So that's the other trick that we're going to learn. We are going to learn more tricks when we have limits at infinity, but right now we're just taking regular limits. One-sided limits, two-sided limits. That's what we're going to do. Okay? Okay.